today I'm going to show you how to make a sofa set. Let's start. We will need a gray piece, 2 blue pieces to make it bigger, and flat pieces to support them. Put them both under them, and then a purple piece and 2 flat pieces and a dark purple piece. And then a pink flat piece, yellow pieces and white pieces. It's ready! First you will need a long grey piece, then yellow long pieces. For the support, in the back, blue piece and more blue pieces and a flat brown piece on the top. Now the sofa is ready. Now we will make a table. We need a curved piece and a big brown piece. And one more curved piece. There is your table. You put a bowl, a fruit bowl, in the center, and we will put orange and apple. It's ready! Oh, I forgot to put the handrest on the sofa. Now let's put the people on the sofa set. This kid has a phone or a tablet, and his dad is also watching his phone. Mom is not watching her phone because she needs peace and quiet. I hope they're having a nice family time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.